Hello my amazing foodie members, thank you once again for clicking on this video. My name is Lynn and you are welcome to Cooking with FUFU. Today I share with you this delicious Agushi stew or Akatwa stew. You will love this, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy the recipe. If today be your first time on this channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. To begin with, I'll start by steaming my protein. So for protein of choice, I'm going to be using Wele or pomo. I'll seasoning it with some garlic, ginger and onion powder and some salt to taste. I'll add some water to it, cover it and allow it to steam until it's soft enough. So whilst that is going on, we're going to heat up some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. Next, I'll go in with some fermented fish or Momoni to give the stew extra flavor. So I'll stir very well and allow it to fry on low medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes and it should be ready. So whilst that is done, I'll also go in with some chopped onions. I'm using 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Use any amount of onions that you want. Whilst that is done, I'll go in with some grated garlic and ginger paste. I'll stir all together and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes until the onions is nice and translucent. Alright, so we are back to check on the onions and it's doing all perfect and ready. So I'll go in with some chopped fresh tomatoes and allow the tomatoes to also loosen up a little bit for about 5 minutes on low medium heat, and afterwards we'll be back to check on it again. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the fresh tomatoes is ready, I'll go in with some tomato paste. I'll stir everything together very well and I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes approximately. Alright, you can also use fresh tomatoes only if you don't want to add in the tomato paste. Everything right here is totally to your taste. Alright, remember as well to check it from time to time. So we are also back to check on our Wele and it's doing all good. After about 25 minutes of cooking it, it's all soft and just perfect. So I'm going to set this aside because at this point it is ready. And we are also back to check on our stew once more, and at this point it is ready. The tomatoes has cooked down very well, and that's what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with my cooked Wele or pomo, any other ways that you call it. All right, afterwards I'll go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce as well, and it will definitely add extra taste to this. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some smoked mackerel or salmon. I'll raise my bowl a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out. Let's stir everything together and allow all the meat to incorporate very well with the stew. Alright, so once that is done, I'll go in with some powdered pepper. Remember, I've not go in with any pepper yet. Alright, you can also use the fresh one if that is what you want. I'll go in with my seasonings as well. I'll be using some stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder and salt to taste. The seasoning is also to your taste as well. I will stir everything together and allow the seasonings to also cook a little bit. Right, so moving forward to my most important ingredients, I'm going to be using akatwa or egusi. So next I'll go in with some eggs as well. It is totally optional. Some people choose to go in with just eggs and that's just fine. But today I'm going to be using both eggs and agusi. And to mix everything, I'll go in with some salt and water as well. Remember not to go in with too much water because we don't want the consistency to be very light. So now let's mix everything well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And for the salt as well, I won't be going in with too much salt because I already have some salt in the stew, so no need for me to go in with too much salt because I wouldn't love the taste. Alright, so after getting the right consistency like this, I'll go back to check on the stew if it's doing just perfect, and at this point the stew was just looking just mouth-watering and it smells so good in here. So I'll give it a good mix, and at this point it is all done. So I'll go in with my akatoa and the eggs that are mixed together. I'll allow it to fry or cook for about 15 to 25 minutes because max melon seed really needs to be cooked very well. Okay, if you don't cook this very well, you're not going to be very happy with your stomach, so kindly note it. So I'll give it a gentle stir. I'll cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So whilst we are enjoying the video, have you still liked this video yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our katwa or agushi stew is ready. Just look at how appetizing it looks. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comment down below. You can enjoy this special stew with rice, yam, banku, just name it. It goes well with everything and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.